In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack like a pro in 2026. Slack is one of the most popular tools for team communication, and once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to stay organized, respond quickly, and keep your work flowing smoothly. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the core features you'll use most often so you can feel confident navigating the app on either your computer or your phone. First, download and open the Slack application on your device, then sign in to your company or community workspace using your email address. If you use more than one workspace, make sure you choose the correct one before you begin. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Slack interface. Next, look over to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is one of the most important parts of Slack because it's where you'll find your direct messages and channels. Direct messages are for one-on-one or small group conversations, while channels are shared spaces where teams collaborate around topics, departments, or projects. Getting familiar with this sidebar will help you move around Slack much more efficiently. When you want to join a conversation or set up a new space for teamwork, click the plus icon next to the channel's header. From there, you can join an existing public channel or create a new one for a specific project. This is especially useful if you want to keep conversations focused and avoid mixing unrelated updates into the same chat. To send a message, type in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Keep your message clear and direct, especially in busy channels where lots of people may be reading. If you need a specific coworker to notice your message, use the @ symbol followed by their name to tag them. This helps make sure the right people see important updates without confusion. If typing isn't enough and you need a quick real-time conversation, use the huddle button in the bottom left corner of any chat window. This lets you instantly start a live audio or video call with your team members. Huddles are great for fast check-ins, quick problem solving, or clarifying something that would take too long to explain in text. Finally, click your profile picture in the top right corner to manage your personal settings. Here, you can set your status, choose your availability, and customize your notification settings so you only get alerted when it really matters. Taking a minute to adjust these settings can make a big difference in reducing distractions and helping you stay productive throughout the day. That's all it takes to start mastering Slack and boosting your daily productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech guides.